So I have here 12 stretched canvases, and I received these in exchange for a review, but all these opinions are my own, and they look to be well made. We have 4 triangles, 4 hexagons, and 4 squares or diamonds, depending on how you orient them. The squares are just under 6 inches square, the hexagons are just over 5 inches across, and the triangles are about 5 3/4 inches at the base. I'm really looking forward to using these. They look like they're well made. Each one of them comes wrapped in plastic, so they are well protected upon arrival. The canvas is stretched really well on the frame. It's nice and tightly stretched. It's not loose at all. Feels like a nice canvas as well. Doesn't feel cheap or thin. Here's a close-up of the staples on the canvas. Seems like it's put together well. And here's the triangle. Depending on where you're going to put these, if you're going to hang them up, might need to trim this just a little bit so that you can expose the frame right there. Here's the hexagon. My daughter is very artistic, so I'm going to have her paint something on these and see how it holds up. So I really like these. Lots of fun. If you're really artsy, like to paint things, maybe you want something a little bit different shaped on your wall, I like them. There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.